Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to answer the question of whether or not you can view images from the DSC PG9944 outdoor image sensor directly from your Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. And the answer is yes, you can view images from your DSC PG9944 outdoor image sensor on your Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. Now, I have the DSC PG9944 right here. It's an outdoor image sensor, and when you're talking about image sensors, they basically combine a motion detection sensor with a still motion camera, image camera, if you will. So when your system goes into alarm, the system that this is programmed with, this camera will begin taking 10 photos, and it will send them to the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus system as still motion images. And they'll be kind of set up as a stop motion video for you to see, but they are images, they're not video. And the first of those images will also be forwarded to alarm.com. So you can view that on the alarm.com mobile app or the alarm.com website as needed. Now, it's important to keep in mind that you can only view local images from the panel if you have a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus system. You won't be able to do that from a DSC IOTEGA or a DSC Power Series Neo with an added PowerG transceiver. Those systems both support the PG9944, but they don't support local viewing. You need to have a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. And lucky for us, we have a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system right here. We already enrolled our DSC PG9944 outdoor image sensor with the panel. And it's important to keep in mind that this will only produce images during alarm events, and you also have to have it set up on alarm.com. You have to have the feature enabled by your alarm monitoring company, and you're going to need to enable the automation rule on the customer website as well, so make sure you do that. And once you have everything set up, it will only produce images during alarm events. So this will still operate as a regular motion detection sensor, and if it activates, if it detects movement, that's not necessarily going to trigger an image. It's not going to trigger any photographs. It's only going to occur when your system goes into alarm. So let's say you have this set up as a sensor group to where that activating this motion sensor, this image sensor, would trigger an immediate alarm on your system while your system's armed away. And you had your system armed away, and this detected movement, and your system went into alarm. Then this would trigger images, and they would be sent to the panel for local viewing. But let's just say you activated the sensor while your system was disarmed and it didn't trigger any alarm on your system. Well, then no images would be taken because the system didn't go into alarm. So just because it detects movement doesn't mean it's going to produce images. It's only when your system goes into alarm. Now, we turned off the siren on our IQ Panel 2 Plus system, so we didn't disturb anybody. And we actually put our system into alarm, and we had this camera out in the support room focused on our friend Dylan. He's one of our technicians here, and we had some images taken of him, and you can see them right here on your Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus. We're navigating to the camera section. We're just swiping left here. You can also swipe right if you prefer, whatever floats your boat. But you're going to end up on the panel camera section, and we have our images here. In addition to images produced by the PG9944 when the system goes into alarm, we also have panel camera images for disarm photos. All Qolsys IQ Panel 2 systems support that, but we have a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus here with a PG9944 properly configured, and you can see that we're gonna click the play button here, and it's gonna do the 10 still motion, stop motion pictures. They're gonna be all sequenced together, so it's gonna kind of have that weird effect to where it sort of looks like a video, but really it's just 10 still motion images. And so we'll just click play here, and you can see our friend Dylan moving around about, doing his thing in the support room, having fun. We'll do that one more time, just so you can see it again. And those were taken by the PG9944. Of course, we used it in an indoor environment, but you can also use it in an outdoor environment. This is safe for outdoor use, pretty much any environmental condition. This is a great image sensor to use if you have a PowerG system and you're looking for an outdoor image sensor. So we'll just go back to the main screen of our Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus here, and we're back to the main screen. But that answers the question of whether or not you can view the images on your Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. The answer is you can, and we just showed you that. If you did find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button below to like the video, and click the bell icon to subscribe to our channel so that you get updates on future Alarm Grid videos. And if you have any questions about our monitoring services or any of our products, be sure to send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com, and also check out our website, alarmgrid.com. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day.